Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. As promised, it was a snowy weekend over much of the Drakensberg Mountains, including parts of northern Lesotho. Thick snowfalls were experienced over the higher elevations, including around Sani Pass. And from this photograph, we can see just how thick that snow was as it settled down on the tables and benches over the area. Let's take a look at some of the rainfall figures experienced over KwaZulu-Natal. It was an incredibly wet weekend, and yesterday was particularly stormy for the coastline, along with gale force winds for some areas. This is rainfall accumulations for some of the centres along the coastline between Friday and all the way through to 8 o'clock this morning. And we can see many areas received above 200 millimetres. Richards Bay got close to 300 millimetres of rain over the last few days, and that produced flooding over some places. Let's move ahead to the satellite imagery, and we can clearly see the culprit that remains at play. It's a cut-off flow now located off the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. It's still busy pushing in showers over the eastern parts of the country, keeping things cloudy and cold across that area for the meantime. Moving ahead to your forecast, and while the western parts of the country are going to be sunny and dry, along with bergwinds along the west coast pushing temperatures into the 30s for some places. In the east, it remains cooler once again. That cut-off flow almost stationary for the rest of today, and that same airflow remains pushing in showers for Durban, Richards Bay, and all the way down to about East London. Inland, we also expect a few showers, and it's going to be a partly cloudy day for Limpopo, the northwest, as well as around Gauteng. Here's your rainfall map, and we see isolated showers for Mpumalanga as well as much of the KwaZulu-Natal interior. Still a possibility for 1 or 2 light showers over parts of the Free State as well. Closer to the coastline, scattered to widespread showers, and it will be especially wet along the south coast of KZN and crossing the border towards the Port St. John's area in the Eastern Cape. Light to moderate winds in the forecast for today, gusty into Gauteng, a southeasterly wind at about 30 kilometers per hour. Here's your temperature map, and we see the bergwinds along the western coastline pushing up the temperatures, the shades of red indicating where temperatures get above 30 degrees Celsius. Milder as we head further inland to the central parts, but it remains cold over the eastern high ground, most places in the mid to lower teens for the rest of the day. Let's look ahead to tomorrow, and there'll still be a few showers along the KZN coastline, although much lighter and much more isolated as well. Sunny over the western parts, while it is going to be a cooler day for Cape Town. And on Wednesday, it's going to be basically rain-free over South Africa, some cloud cover along the coastline, but sunny skies over the interior.